You just plug it in. Don't you? Electricity is all around us. We use it every day to help us live our lives, from charging phones, making food, to keeping us entertained, and now even cars are becoming electric. So today we are going to talk about electrical safety and how to keep safe at home and when you are out and about. Electricity can be very dangerous, so let's talk about some things you should remember when using electricity. Keeping safe using electricity at home. Regularly check and make sure any wires which connect to your electrical equipment are in good condition. This means making sure there are no frayed wires, loose wires, or damaged wires. If there are any of these problems, you should buy a new wire or phone an electrician to repair the equipment. This might even be to change a plug because most plugs today are sealed and should not be changed. Sometimes you may need to change a fuse, but if you don't know how to do this, ask someone to help you. It is important that the correct fuse is fitted. If not, it could cause a fire or cut off your electricity. It is always a good idea to keep a torch at home in case your power goes out. If your electricity goes off and it is not a power cut, it might be your fuse box. Ideally, you should ring a registered electrician or ask someone who knows how to look at and fix the problem. They can reset it and get the power back on for you. Do not touch the fuse box if you do not know what to do. Always ask for help. Don't leave wires trailing across the floor so that people do not trip and fall. And try to make sure that all your electrical wires are tucked out of the way. This also means that pets don't get curious and decide to play with them. Make sure that you don't plug too many appliances in at the same plug socket. And never plug an extension cord into another extension cord. This is very dangerous. It could give you an electric shock or get very hot and cause a fire. Keep all electrical equipment away from water, such as the sink, bath or shower. And try to keep drinks away from your electricals. Never turn plugs or any other electrical equipment on or off with wet hands. Make sure they are dry. Remember, water and electricity do not mix. You could get a nasty electrical shock or even die. If you have small children, try to cover any unused plug sockets with safety plugs. These will keep any little fingers from danger. Keeping safe with electricity while out and about. When you are out and about, always stay away from electrical pylons, poles and substations. Never climb up poles and pylons or into substations. They carry lots of electricity that could seriously hurt or even kill you if you get too close. Only electricity experts should go near them, so if something of yours goes near or into electricity network equipment, always stay well away. Call 105 and wait until the experts arrive to help you. If you have power lines above your garden, be careful when using a ladder or gardening equipment. Always look up if you are going to climb a tree to make sure there are no power lines near the branches. The electricity can go right through the branch and through you. When using electrical gardening equipment, like a lawnmower, always make sure that the wire is kept out of the way. If you accidentally cut the wire, it could cause a serious shock or even death. Using electricity is a part of your everyday life. Try to remember what we have talked about in this video. Be responsible and keep safe.